Morning everyone, welcome to my new video of English. Open your book Footprints Without Feet on page number 39, chapter 7, The Necklace. We were reading the last part of the chapter. So open your book on page number 44. I'm starting and I'm going to start the last part of the story. Ma'am Forestier did not open the jewel box as Ma'am Loisel feared she would. When Ma'am Loisel went to Forestier to repay the jewel which she borrowed from her for the ball party. She went there to repay that, and she thought that Mrs. Forestier will open the jewel box, but she did not do so. What would she think if she should perceive the substitution? Underline this. What would she think if she should perceive the substitution? If she opened the jewel box and if she recognized that necklace which was given in place of that actual one which Mrs. Forestier lent her, she could perceive that replacement, that substitution. What should she say? वो क्या कहती? Would she take her for a robber? Ma'am Loisel now knew the horrible life of necessity. Horrible, this phrase is containing a great meaning of life. This is the mystery of life. Horrible life of necessity. The life full of desires, full of necessities. That life is always horrible for a person. She did her part, that she followed that life. She lived a life of necessity. It was very horrible for her. However, completely heroically means bravely. However, she lived this kind of horrible life very bravely. It was necessary to pay this frightful debt. She needed to pay this dreadful, fearful debt. That means कर्ज. इस कर्ज को, कौन से कर्ज को, जो मिसेस मैम फॉरेस्टियर ने उसको वो दिया था, डायमंड का नेकलेस, और वो बहुत जो है प्राइस वर्दी था, बहुत प्रेशस था, उसको चुकाना बहुत ज़रूरी था उसके लिए. एंड इस तरह से उसको उसकी जो नेसेसिटीज़ थी लाइफ की, एम्बिशंस थी, वो तो उसने पूरी कर ली इतनी हॉरिबल पॉवर्टी में भी. बट अब वो उसको समझ में आया कि कितनी गरीबी का जीवन और ज़रूरतों से भरा हुआ जीवन कितना खतरनाक होता है. उसने वो तो पूरा उस समय वो ज़रूरत तो पूरी कर ली और उसको चुकाना पड़ा, और वो और ज़्यादा गरीब होती गई और रोड पर आ गई. They sent away the maid. They changed their lodgings. They rented some rooms in attic. What happened? Due to her poverty, she sent away, she dismissed her maid servant, and moreover she changed her lodgings means residence, comfortable residence she changed, and in place of that they rented. Who are they here? Mr. and Mrs. Loisel. They rented some rooms in an attic. Attic means जो खुला छत के ऊपर जो खुली जगह होती है, बरांडा टाइप का, वहाँ उन्होंने वो किराए पर ले लिया सोने उठने बैठने के लिए. That was not comfortable, but it was क्या कहते हैं कि sufficient for them. She learned the odious work of kitchen. Odious means hateful work. Now she had to do the work of a kitchen. She washed the dishes. She washed the soiled linen. Soiled means dirty clothes. Their clothes and dish clothes, bartan, dish clothes, which she hung on the line to dry. Now she had to do the work for their living. What kind of work? Work of a kitchen, washing dirty clothes and other clothes, dish clothes, which she hung on the line to dry, और जो उसको वहाँ पर सुखाने के लिए एक लाइन में झड़का के और सुखाने पड़ते थे. She took down the refuse to the street. Refuse means garbage. She had to take down the garbage to the street each morning and brought up the water, and she had to bring water, stopping at each landing to catch her breath. She had to bring several buckets of water, and when she felt tired, she stopped at each landing. Each क्या कहते हैं, एक थोड़ी दूर पे एक जगह सीढ़ियों पे, वहाँ पर उसको बैठना पड़ता था for her breath, एक सांस खाने के लिए. And she clothed like a woman of the people. She clothed like a common woman. Now she has forgot all about her beauty and about her living standard, and she had to live now as common people life as they live. She went to the grocer's shop, the butcher कसाई की शॉप पे, जनरल स्टोर्स पे उसको जाना पड़ता था, और एंड फ्रूटर मीन्स फलों की दुकान पर, फ्रूटरर, butchers and grocers with her basket on her arm, शॉपिंग, उनकी खरीदारी उनको करनी पड़ती थी अपने मालिकों के लिए. हैगलिंग मीन्स quarreling to the last sou of her miserable money. उसके पास अब उसको ऐसा जीवन बिताना पड़ रहा है कि अब उसको she had to go to the market for marketing and for bargaining to save a penny. She had to bargain with the grocers and shopkeepers and butchers. This is a very miserable time for her. The husband worked evenings. अब उसको तो ये सब काम करना पड़ता था. आपको मालूम है, जैसे कोई इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन है कि आफ्टर the works of the poverty, after the reaching the climax of the poverty, what she had to do, what work she had to do for her living and her husband. तो उसके हस्बैंड और उसके जीविका के लिए उसको क्या काम करना पड़ता था, एंड व्हाट वर्क हर हस्बैंड हैड टू डू, और हस्बैंड को क्या करना पड़ता था, ये आपको यहाँ पर समझ में आ गया। द हस्बैंड वर्क इवनिंग, इन द इवनिंग्स he had to work putting the books of some merchants in order. He had to work for some merchants and to maintain their record and accounts in their books, in their account books. And nights he often did copying at 5 sous. Sous कहते हैं फ्रैंक करेंसी। एक पेज की नकल करने के करनी पड़ती थी उसको, काहे के लिए, 5 सूज लेने के लिए, 5 फ्रैंक मनी, फ्रैंक करेंसी पाने के लिए उसको एक पेज को कॉपी करनी पड़ती थी मर्चेंट्स के लिए। एंड दिस लाइफ लास्टेड फॉर 10 years. This life went on for 10 years. At the end of 10 years, they had restored all. In the duration of these 10 years, they had paid back all the money to the jeweler. Ma'am Loisel seemed old now. After 10 years, now their physical get-up has changed. She had seemed now old. She had become a strong, hard woman. By facing the struggle of her life, she has become a strong and hard woman. देखो, कोई हम कितना भी स्ट्रगल आ जाए, चैलेंजेस हम फेस करें, but we should not lose our heart. By facing the challenges and struggle, we become strong. Ma'am Loisel seemed now old now. She had become a strong, hard woman. The crude woman, crude means rough and tough woman of the poor household. Household means domestic. अब वो बिल्कुल पुअर घर चलाने वाली एक रफ एंड टफ औरत में बदल चुकी थी, और उसके वो नखरे, वो सुंदरता के प्रति जो उसका एक सेंसेशन था वो भी करीब खत्म हो गया। वो अपने बारे में कुछ नहीं सोचती कि मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ, कैसी सुंदर हूँ और मेरी रेपुटेशन क्या है, कुछ नहीं। अब उसको अपनी गरीबी सर चढ़ के बोल रही है, और उसको बहुत सारे काम करने पड़ रहे हैं, उसके हस्बैंड को बहुत सारे काम करने पड़ रहे हैं, क्योंकि उनको वो नेकलेस के लिए 36 जो 1000 फ्रैंक उसको मनी उसको चुकाना पड़ा। Her hair badly dressed, her skirts awry means improper, और उसके जो कपड़े कॉस्ट्यूम्स भी इम्प्रॉपर हो गए थे, सलों से भर गए थे। Her hands red and spoke in a loud tone, और वो आवाज़ भी उसकी तेज हो गई। And washed the floors with large pails of water. Pails means buckets. She had to wash the floors now with the pails of water. But sometimes when her husband was at the office, she would seat herself before the window and think of that evening party of former times. Now she is recalling her first time days when she went to one evening when she went to the party and she danced there. She is recalling all those moments of pleasure. खुशी के वो क्षण अब याद कर रही है वो खिड़की पे बैठ के। And of all ball means ball dance group where she was so beautiful and so flattered. अब वो मोमेंट के बारे में सोच रही कि जब वो डांस पार्टी में गई थी क्या सुंदर लग रही थी, कितनी उसकी फ्लैटर्ड मीन्स फॉल्स प्रेजेस, वो फॉल्स प्रेजेस पा रही थी और लोग उसकी चापलूसी कर रहे थे और उसकी ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा जो उसको उसकी तारीफ़ों के पुल बांध रहे थे. हाउ वुड इट हैव बीन इफ शी हैड नॉट लॉस्ट द नेकलेस. अगर ऐसा नेकलेस नहीं होता तो कितना अच्छा होता. Who knows how singular is life? Who knows how singular is life? Singular means separate. How her life has become separate from others, and how full of changes, and how the life has become full of changes. कितने changes आए जो अभी आपको पता है. How small a thing will ruin or save one. एक छोटी सी चीज किसी को बर्बाद भी कर सकती है और उसको बचा भी सकती है. अंडरलाइन दिस इज अ वेरी important sentence. One Sunday, as she was taking a walk in the Thames seas to rid herself of the cares of the week, she suddenly perceived a woman walking with a child. On Sunday, when she was taking a walk, when she was walking, where that place is called the Thames seas. On this place, she was taking a walk to rid herself of cares of the week, to relax herself from the household work of whole week. She suddenly perceived, अचानक वो जब अपनी थकान मिटा रही थी पूरे हफ्ते की, what happened? She suddenly perceived a woman walking with a child. She suddenly noticed a woman walking with a child. It was Ma'am Forestier. Who was that? It was Ma'am Forestier. Still young. She is still young, still pretty, still attractive and active. Ma'am Loisel was affected. Ma'am Loisel was attracted with that lady. Who was that? She was Frontier. Mrs. Frontier. Should she speak to her? Now, Mrs. Ma'am Loisel asked a question to herself. Should she speak to her? Yes, certainly. And now that she had paid, she would tell her all. And now she would tell everything about that past incident. How she purchased a new necklace for her, and how she paid, and what happened to her life. All these things she wanted to convince her. She approached her. Approach means reached, and said, "Good morning, Jeannie." Her friend did not recognize her, but Ma'am Forestier did not recognize her, who she was, and was astonished and was amazed to be so familiarly addressed by this common personage. Common personage means common lady, common person. इतनी कॉमन और जनरल, वो तो इतनी हाई फाई हो गई थी, प्रिटी थी, अट्रैक्टिव थी, सब कुछ, लेकिन एक इतनी जो लेवल से डाउन टाइप की लेडी, उसको इस तरह से फैमिलियरली मीन्स शी वॉज वेल अक्वेंटेड विद मैम फॉरेस्टियर, बट मैम फॉरेस्टियर कुड नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज हर. और वो उसको शी वॉज एस्टोनिश्ड that how that lady is talking to her familiarly, बड़े परिचित चिर परिचित रूप में वो कैसे बात कर रही थी, उसको बड़ा आश्चर्य हुआ। शी स्टैमर्ड मीन्स स्पीकिंग विद हॉल्ट्स, अटक अटक के बोलना, स्टैमर्ड हकलाना। बट मैम आई डू नॉट नो, यू मस्ट बी मिस्टेकन, नो आई एम मैटिल्डा लॉयजल, मैम आई एम मैटिल्डा लॉयजल। शी इज गिविंग हर introduction, she is reintroducing herself to मैम फ्रंटियर, उसको वापस से इंट्रोड्यूस करवा रही है अपने बारे में मैम फ्रंटियर को, कि मैं वो हूँ जिसको आप जानती हो अच्छी तरह। बट नाउ हर पोजिशन हैज चेंज्ड, शी हैज बिकम पुअरर एंड पुअरर। Her friend uttered a cry of astonishment. Her friend, who is her friend? Her friend, her here, Matilda Loisel, and friend, Ma'am Forestier. Friend is Ma'am Forestier. So, Matilda Loisel's friend, Ma'am Frontier, uttered a cry of astonishment. She spoke in a loud sound with great astonishment, and what she spoke, oh my poor Matilda, how you have changed, तुम कितनी बदल गई हो मेरी प्यारी सी Matilda. Yes, I have had some hard days since I saw you. Yes, I have had some hard days. Hard days means days of struggle, days of poverty, since I saw you, जब से मैंने तुम्हें देखा है, बहुत गरीबी से और बहुत हार्ड दिन मैंने बिताए, एंड सम मिजरेबल एंड सम दयनीय स्थिति मैंने देखी है, once and all because of you. And why she is blaming, Matilda Loisel is blaming Ma'am Forestier for these miserable days, कि तुम्हारी बदौलत मैं आज इस स्टेज पर, इस कागार पर आके खड़ी हो गई. Because of me, she is still surprised herself. How is that? कैसे ये मुमकिन है? You recall the diamond necklace that you loaned me to wear to the minister's ball. She Mrs. Loisel is reminding Ma'am Frontier about that diamond necklace which she lent her on that minister's party. कह रही कि याद करो, आपने नेकलेस मुझे दिया था, डायमंड नेकलेस. Yes, very well. Yes, very well. I recall. Well, I lost it. So I lost that. I had lost that night. How is that? कैसे हुआ ऐसा? Since you returned it to me. You returned me and you are saying that I have lost. How could happen? How could it happen? I returned another to you exactly like that. Now, Mrs. Matilda is saying that she returned another in place of that necklace. It was exactly same as that, and it has taken us 10 years to pay for it. And it's that जो हमने कर्जा लिया था उसको खरीदने के लिए, उसके जैसा का जैसा आपको दूसरा लौटाने के लिए, बिकॉज इट वॉज वेरी प्राइस वर्दी एंड प्रेशस. सो हमने जो कर्जा लिया था उसको खरीद के आपको लौटाने के लिए, that has taken us 10 years to pay for. You can understand that it was not easy for us to have nothing. It was not easy for us to repay the debt, because we were very, very poor that time, and still we are poor. but it is finished now. It has we have क्या कहते हैं, हमने चुका दिया लोन. And I am decently content. Decently content means greatly satisfied. I am greatly satisfied now. Ma'am, first year stopped short. Ma'am, first year was surprised, totally surprised. She said, "You say that you bought a diamond necklace to replace mine." उन्होंने कहा कि मेरे डायमंड नेकलेस को रिपेयर करने के लिए रिप्लेस करके आपने मुझे लौटाया. Yes, you did not perceive it then. They were just alike. तुमने उसको देखा नहीं ठीक से, नोटिस में नहीं लिया कि वो बिल्कुल ऐसे कैसे ही थे. And she smiled with proud and simple joy. Now who is she? She here is Ma'am Frontier. She smiled with proud and simple joy. Ma'am Frontier was touched and took both her hands as she replied, "Oh my poor Matilda, mine were false." Now the mystery has opened itself. वो रहस्य, mystery of that diamond necklace, whether they were imitated or क्या कहते हैं, सच नकली थे या असली, उसका भेद खुल गया. Now she is telling that they were false. They were not worth over 500 francs. And for 500 francs से ज़्यादा नहीं थे वो, और वो तो नकली थे, है ना, फॉल्स थे. इस तरह से वो सीधी सच्ची औरत Mrs. Loisel and Mr. Loisel, they were very innocent, poor. इस तरह से वो एक धोखे में आ गए और उनका इतना बड़ा नुकसान हो गया. 10 years they have lost of their life. 10 years, precious 10 years of their life they lost. And moreover they lost 36,000 francs. और अब उनको ये भेद पता चला कि वो तो नकली थे. हो सकता है कि उस समय वो बता देती उसको कि भाई हमने नए खरीदे हैं, आपका तो खो गया, तो मे भी पॉसिबल उनके 36,000 उनको वापस मिल जाते और वो दुकान पे वापस रिप्लेस हो जाते. और जो फ्रंटियर थी, मैम फ्रंटियर, वो वैसे ही मान जाती है और वो लेती भी नहीं, तो उनको इतना बड़ा नुकसान नहीं होता. इसलिए ये दिस स्टोरी also conveys us and convinces us that there should be no communication gap. Communication gap आपको नहीं रखना चाहिए. जो भी confusion हो, जो भी reality हो, truth हो, you have to put before everybody. अगर आप ज़्यादा दिमाग वाले शाणे बनोगे तो आपको नुकसान होना तय है. अगर वो बता देते तो शायद वो इतना बड़ा लॉस, 10 years का लॉस, और ना जाने उनको और क्या क्या काम करने पड़े उसको, उनके कर्ज को चुकाने के लिए. बिकॉज 36,000 was not a very little amount for them because of due to their poverty. That amount was very big for them to repay. अगर वो बता देते तो हो सकता है कि ये सब परेशानियों से, मिजरीज और जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स और दुख मुसीबत से वो बच जाते हैं. और अब उनको ये पता चला, what cannot be cured must be endured. This is an old saying. जब जिस बात का कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं है उसे तो हमको झेलना ही पड़ेगा. This way I'm going to stop and end this chapter, this story. I hope you would have enjoyed this story. very well. And now I hope you will do all the question answers. I will give you assignment tomorrow. For this chapter I will give some assignment of doing some important questions, and in the next video. Okay, now I stop here. Okay, thank you, goodbye, have a nice day, take care of yourself, and use sanitizer, use mask, and don't go outside without any purpose. Take care of your youngers and elders. The critical condition is still क्या कहते हैं स्थिर है, and you have to take care of yourself. This is the cure to get rid of this coronavirus. Only one cure. Be careful and take care of everybody, yourself at home. Don't go outside. Once again I appeal. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. God bless you.